Good afternoon and welcome to the Humidor Report. Justin here from Beaumont Cigar Club. Today we are introducing you to Year of the Dragon. But the question you have to ask is, well, which one? Because there's a whole bunch of them out there this year, being that it is the Year of the Dragon according to the lunar calendar with the Chinese New Year. But despite lawsuits and other litigation and all of the craziness that has surrounded it, there are nonetheless a number of Year of the Dragon cigars out there, but I don't think there are going to be nearly those that are going to maybe draw the attention and probably fetch the price tag that these in front of me are going to. Now, this is the Rocky Patel Year of the Dragon, the 2024 special edition Year of the Dragon from Rocky Patel. This guy is a Toro, as you see we've got here. Absolutely beautiful coloring, beautiful bands on this. It's got the big, nice curling dragon on the big body band, and you've got that gold and red, the golden red pattern that you usually see tied to the luck tree and the cards and stuff that are pulled off of the luck tree for the Chinese New Year. But we're going to tell you a little bit about this cigar. There are actually 3 versions of this cigar, only one of which any of you are likely to come across, see, and or smoke. We're going to start with the duty-free edition. It is a duty-free exclusive version of this cigar. It is a Robusto Grande, is that size, and it is going to be an exclusive to only duty-free shops, and it is going to come in a 5-pack. I think the MSRP is something like $175 to $200 for that specific size. Then there's going to be an international edition, which is just a regular Robusto. That is actually going to be part of a sampler that is going to be destined for international locales, basically possibly anywhere other than the United States. And then there is the U.S. version, the Toro that you see here before me. This is a 6,000 box production. It is a 10-count box, so that is only 60,000 of these are out in the wild. We've got 2 of them here, 2 of the 10-count boxes, so a nice little chunk of what is out there, but it is a very limited production offering, so they are not going to last very long. And it is a higher price tag item, which, being that Rocky now has his $100 conviction, I guess it's not too absurd to have a product coming around in that $35 to $40 range. Which it is. But if you are wanting to check it out, we do have a San Andreas Maduro wrapper. No surprise from Rocky these days. It is his favorite wrapper leaf by far over the last 7 or 8 years. And the majority of his products, it seems, are now, of his new product in recent years, is all sporting San Andreas Maduro wrappers. This does have a double binder. One of them is a broadleaf binder. The other is undisclosed, so we don't know what that one is. And your filler tobacco comes from all 3 major regions in Nicaragua, which is Condega, Esteli, and Jalapa, as well as some Honduran tobacco from the Jamastran Valley in that filler as well. So 6,000 10-count boxes, that is all they have. It is the 2024 limited edition Rocky Patel Year of the Dragon, and it is here while supplies last. So if you were curious and want to try it out, make sure you stop by, see us here or at our Lake Charles store to make sure you get one and try it before they are extinct. So that's going to do it for this week's edition of the Humidor Report. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you can stay up to date with what is hip and happening here at Cigar Club. We'll be back with you with more content next week. And until then, I'm Justin, and we'll see you at the club.